In this video, I am going to guide you on how to update your address in the 13 cabs profile. Keeping your address updated ensures faster bookings and accurate pickup locations. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 cabs app on your mobile phone. 2. Make sure you are logged into your account. 3. Tap on the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. 4. Select the profile or account option from the menu. 5. Look for the address or save addresses section. 6. Tap on the address you want to update or choose to add a new one. 7. Enter the new address details and save the changes. 8. Confirm that the updated address appears correctly in your profile. This helps in faster bookings and more accurate pickups in the future. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips.